Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be making zobo without pineapple. Yes, we are going to be making hibiscus drink without pineapple. We will be using something else in place of pineapple, okay? I made this drink without pineapple and it came out so good. Here is my husband testing it, and honestly he confirmed is even better than when I used pineapple. Yes, so let's get right into it, guys. So first, to start with, you will need dry hibiscus leaves. Yes, you will need dry zobo leaves, and here I have one. So I'll go ahead and sieve out the sand. I don't know why this thing contains a lot of sand, so I'm trying to sieve out the sand before cooking it, but it's also dirty, so I'll go ahead and wash it. But while washing it, you don't have to wash it too much, okay? Just use water, wash it, and you're okay. So after that, add into the pot and add water depending on how the quantity you are using. If you're using much, that means you have to add a lot of water, okay? But I think I added about 3 to 4 cups of water. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm not sure. So once I add it on the fire, I'll cover it to cook. Then we'll go ahead and prepare the main ingredient, which is what we'll be using to replace the pineapple, okay? And that is orange. Yes, we are going to be using orange to replace pineapple, okay guys? So here I'll be using 4 oranges. I'll go ahead and slice. Please don't slice like me, use your chopping board, because the way I am slicing this orange is because I am used to it. If you're not used to it and you try it, you will cut off your hand. So please don't cut like me, okay? If you are not used to this method, please do not cut like me. Just make use of your chopping board. So now I'll cut and add the orange into the blender. If you don't want to blend, like if you have a juicer, you can just go ahead and juice the orange, okay? But because I don't have juicer, this is how I will be extracting the juice from it. So this orange I'm adding, I'm making sure I am not adding the seed. Very important. Make sure that you are not including the seeds of the orange, okay? Because if you do that, it will make it to taste bitter. The seed will make it to taste bitter, and you don't want that. So after that, now I will go ahead and blend. Blend everything very well. If it's difficult to blend, you can go ahead and add small water to help your blender. So now I'll go ahead and blend until smooth. Guys, honestly, who said that you cannot make your zobo without pineapple? I don't know. Who said that? See, it's always good to try out new things, new recipes, okay? It's always good. So now I'm done blending the orange. The next thing now is to sieve out the juice. Yes, guys, this is the best. In fact, I won't be buying pineapple because I don't know, for some reason pineapple is expensive right now. That is why I was forced to try this recipe, and it came out so perfect, so well, so good. I can't even say it all. So please, now we'll go ahead and extract the juice from the orange. And once that is done, guys, we go ahead and set it aside. Here is it. Here is the juice. We'll set it aside. So the next thing to do is to go ahead, get your ginger, wash it. I am washing mine because I will not be scraping off the skin. But please, even if you will be scraping off the skin, it's also necessary that you wash it, okay? Please wash it. After washing it, then we go ahead and grate it into the boiling zobo drink. Right now, that's what I'm doing. You use your grater and grate it into the zobo drink. If you don't want to grate it, you can blend it also. Just add little water, blend it, and pour it into the zobo drink. Okay, guys, I like adding a lot of ginger to it. I like ginger a lot, so I add a lot. Some people also add black pepper and cloves. Yes, at this point, if you wish, you can also go ahead and add it at this point, at this stage. Okay, guys, so while the zobo drink is boiling, the next thing I'll go ahead and prep is my sweetener. For this Zobo drink, I'll be using date as my sweetener and not sugar, okay? So to do that, I'll be taking out the seeds in this dates. Yeah, I'll be taking out the seeds. You can make use of dry date. You can make use of wet date. This one is wet date. So now I'll go ahead and add it into the blender. Please, because you'll be blending, it's necessary you take out the seeds, okay? Otherwise, it can destroy your blender. So after that, I'll add warm water into it and blend it until smooth. Like I said, this is what will serve as sweetener. We will not be using sugar, okay? We are trying to eat healthy, drink healthy, you know? So that's it, guys. After blending it, I'll set it aside. Now I'll go ahead and turn off the cooker. I turned off the cooker already. Then I'll go ahead and use my sieve to take out the leaves. Yes, you can do this while it cools down. You can just take your pot off the cooker. Take your pot off the cooker, then let it cool down before you do this, okay? So, but me, I'll be doing it right away. So once I'm done taking out the leaves, the next thing to add is to go ahead and pour in the blended date into the Zobo drink. Go ahead and pour everything in. Use water to rinse the blender if you have anyone remaining in it. Rinse it and add the water into the Zobo drink. So once that is done, the next thing you have to do here is to go ahead and get chiffon cloth or cheese cloth or muslin bag, whichever one you have. You go ahead and transfer this drink into it because you have to sieve it for the last time, okay? So go ahead and get a cheesecloth or chiffon cloth, whichever thing you have to use, but make sure that you undergo this stage. Is necessary, okay? This stage is just to help us get rid of any other particles in the drink, like if there are still remaining Zobo leaves in it, we can be able to take it out. And remember, we added the blended date. In case if there is any particle in it, we can be able to sieve it out. So this stage is necessary, guys, okay? So after sieving it out, we go ahead and add the next ingredient. For this stage, let the drink cool down. You see what I'm struggling here? I am struggling because it's still hot. So let it cool down before you sieve it, okay? So that's it, guys. After sieving it, the next thing we have to go ahead and add is the orange juice. So now we'll go ahead and add the orange juice into the sieved Zobo drink. Oh my goodness, guys, this is the best. This tasted so good. After adding it, go ahead and mix so that everything will combine properly. For the date, if you want your Zobo drink to be sweet, like sweet, go ahead and add more of the dates, okay? So after that, now it's time to add into container. After adding it into container, you wait for it to cool down before you add it into the fridge, guys. Yeah, so I got about 4 containers of big cola bottle. So this is when it has cooled down and it's time to test and call result. And here is my man. He has to test and call result. Guys, he didn't believe it. It tasted so nice, guys. So please give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one. Bye.